Dura! Dura! Ah, kung mga wala na pa nagpitpit na. Kaya! Hi guys! Welcome to our church. So we're gonna tour you sa aking practice today. So we have Jerome, the bassist. Tama ba, bassist? Baho naman ako November. Naman ay Jason, among gitarista. Ang drummer. Wala may gitarista absent, so gitara lang. And Kuya Lai, our musical director, composer, and pastor. Keyboardista. Ayan. So, yun mga loves. Practice muna kami. How we end our night.
That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Oh, I keep learning to turn away to get a walk. Cause every step's
Down to the center. Oh, just a little bit better. Girl in the mirror. Girl in the mirror. Girl in the... We are going to spend the night and the rest of our 3 days sa church kasi mag-ano kami, magpa-fasting kami, prayer and fasting. But before we do that, nagda-dance muna sila ng Girl in the Mirror. Yan, lola, natin sa kumakasayaw. Wow, Dura! Dura! Ah, kung mga wala na pa nagpitpit na. Kamusa! Awa sigaw ka! Sakit na! Hangak na! Ah! Ay, kapuya!
Kakakasa ka papa?
Finish! Kapoy! Tapos na yung aming practice. Kasi mag-represent kami this February sa SM Ecolag, guys! Guys! Mag-represent kami. So, but in person, it's person really puti. Ah,